Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about a subject that can be quite difficult. That's the topic of going back to work after you've had your baby. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break it down into the practical things you need to do, the physical things, the emotional, and surviving it all. So first of all, practically speaking, you have to find somebody to take care of your baby or some form of daycare. But this is very hard. To find somebody you trust to look after your baby is not a small decision, so spend a long time vetting the process. The next thing is to think about feeding. Are you going to continue breastfeeding? Are you going to pump? Are you going to use formula? What are you going to do? Because there needs to be a lot of planning around that and whether your workplace has somewhere private for you to pump. As much as we don't like to think that you can wear your work clothes again after you've had your baby, there are often many months before you're able to fit back into those clothes. So have some great things on hand, even if they're maternity, just don't tell anybody, and wear them, feel good, feel confident, and head back into the workplace. Now, physically speaking, you need to take care of yourself. Of course, that sounds like an obvious dumb thing to say, but when you're at home with your baby, it's very difficult, but there are times that you might be able to take a nap here or there. However, when you go back to work, there is no zizzing in the office unless you have the corner office with the big doors that close up in the blinds. And then you go home and you might be up all night. So you have to make sure that you take care of yourself so you have enough stamina to get through both work and being a parent. For some people, going back to work is awesome and they can't wait to get there. That is absolutely fine. Do not feel guilty about it. For other people, going back to work is really heart-wrenching. And for those, it's really important to ask this question. Is it possible for you to stay at home? If the answer is absolutely no, then you need to figure out a way to deal with it. Now, the last thing is, it's exciting to be a parent. You know what I mean? You want to share. You want to share a lot of stuff with people. That might be okay some places, but it's not always okay in the workplace. So here's a few things you're going to not want to say. The first is, look at that, so cute. That's Junior's poop. It's so big, right? That's not good. Number two, if you've got some spit up from the morning feeding on your bra, it's a little stinky in the meeting, don't tell everybody the smell is the spit up on your boobs that you forgot to clean. I'm serious. And the last thing, this is serious. Don't apologize for being a mom. If you have to leave early for some reason or you have to go to a doctor's appointment, you are still capable of doing a brilliant job at work. But if you apologize for it all the time, people are going to start to think that you're not. So be strong and be confident and go forth and run for president.